Hello, this is the first episode of my Arduino tutorial series. Today we're going to be going over what an Arduino is, the required software needed to program it, and how to use that software on a basic level, what a sketch is, uploading our first sketch, and connecting an LED to the Arduino using its 5-volt pin. So what is Arduino? Arduino is an open-source electronics platform that can be programmed using a desktop computer. It's good for prototyping because it can be solder-free, relatively cheap, and there's a good community of people and libraries to get you started. The required software needed to program Arduino is the Arduino IDE, which I will show you how to download in a second, as well as you may need drivers for your computer to get it to recognize the Arduino via USB. So what is a sketch? A sketch is the thing that we write in the Arduino IDE that we upload to our Arduino. You can think of a sketch as a program. This is how to download the Arduino software. Just go to this website right here and download the one that is for your operating system. Click just download and install that. Once you have it installed, you should see something like this. And once you connect your Arduino via USB, you can go to Tools and Board to make sure that you have the right board selected, as well as go to Port and make sure that your computer can see and communicate with the Arduino. If it can't, then you need to install the drivers, and more information about that can be found on the website. When I first got Arduino, I didn't have a problem with this, so I don't really know how to help you with that. Now we're going to upload a basic sketch to Arduino to make sure that everything is working properly. We're going to go to File, Examples, Basics, and then click Blink. It'll open this window right here. Don't worry about what's happening here too much, just click Upload. It will compile and upload to your Arduino. It'll say done uploading. Now look at your Arduino and make sure that the debug light is flashing on the board. Now that you've got your Arduino basically set up, we're going to use it to light an LED. We're going to be using an Arduino, obviously. 9-volt battery with connector. 3 male-to-male wires. A resistor. An LED. The longer side was going to be the positive side. The shorter side is the negative side. And the breadboard. Not this piece of string. We don't need that. A little bit about a breadboard. A breadboard is something that is used for prototyping. It is composed of a series of holes that you can plug a wire into like this. Underneath it is conductive metal. It's arranged like this. These holes down here at the bottom along this row are connected, but not connected to the blue right here. So all the blues are connected and all the reds are connected. And then in the middle, the connection goes up like this, breaks in the middle, and then up like this. To light an LED with our Arduino, we're going to be using the 5-volt and ground pins. You can use either of the ground pins here or the ground pin here. It doesn't matter. We'll connect 1 to 5 volts and 1 to ground. Now we're going to connect our 5-volt line to our red rail, is what this would be called. I'm going to take that connection and bring it out into the main part of the breadboard. When you connect an LED, it can't handle the 3.5 or 5 volts that an Arduino puts out. That's why we have to use a resistor placed directly on either side of the LED to ensure that the LED doesn't burn itself out. After that wire, we'll place a resistor about here. We're going to take our LED, remembering that the positive side, or the side that the voltage is coming from, is the longer side. So from the resistor, we're going to go the longer side and then the shorter side. We're going to put the shorter side on the blue rail on the edge of the breadboard, and the other end in line with where the resistor is. Finally, we're going to complete the ground circuit, finally we're going to complete the circuit by plugging back into ground into the Arduino. Now when we plug this 9-volt battery in, it should light the LED with the magic of electricity. Ta-da! So to go over it one more time, we're taking the 5 volts from the Arduino. It's ultimately being provided by this battery. The electricity is coming through here, goes around this wire, gets resisted by the resistor, goes through the LED and is displayed in the form of light, and then that's grounded back around to the Arduino. This has been the first episode of my Arduino tutorial series. Today we learned what an Arduino was, how to upload a basic sketch, how to download the Arduino software, and connect an LED to the Arduino using 5 volts. Next time, we're going to be utilizing some of the other pins of the Arduino and doing a little bit of programming ourselves in order to light up pins programmatically. Thanks for watching. See you next time.